Hi guys, this is a video introduction of the FXGL game engine for the hack commit push event for experienced developers. If you're a beginner and have never contributed to an open source repository, then there will be a separate longer video available with all the details required. So just to give you an idea of what FXGL is capable of, this is an example RPG, which is written in Kotlin. And this is an example geometry wars clone written in Java. So both Java and Kotlin users can build games with FXGL. FXGL itself is written also in Java and Kotlin. So regardless of which language you use, you're able to contribute to the repository. This is the main FXGL repository, which contains all of its source code. You will find the contributing.md file, which contains all the information you need in order to get FXGL set up on your local machine. It would be useful if you did that before the development day so that we can expedite the process. On the day, project coordinators will be available to help guide new contributors. And if you've already contributed to the repository, then you're welcome to find any issues you'd like to work with that are not taken by anyone else. If you have never contributed to FXGL, then it would be useful to find an issue that says good first issue and help wanted. These will be the easiest to tackle for starters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the day.